Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video on realizations. Today we are going to be talking about something very small but very crucial. And this idea came to me because some of you directly DM'd me to get your FMS SOPs reviewed. And though they were not really bad, but most of these SOPs had some very important points missing. नाउ SOP का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप उसमें सिर्फ अपने अचीवमेंट्स डाल दें और अपनी अच्छी अच्छी तारीफ़ें डाल दें. It has to have some form of structure. 1000 कैरेक्टर, यस 1000 कैरेक्टर का FMS SOP को कैसे ब्रीफ बट ससिंक्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कैसे रखे, क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें कवर करे, दैट विल बी कवरिंग टुडे. But before we get into that, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with all the CAT and MBA related videos I keep bringing on my channel. Now FMS SOP पे आते हैं, पर उससे पहले there's something very important about FMS जो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. Since the last 2-3 days, निखिल कामत का एक बहुत ही controversial statement कि anyone who is 25 and doing an MBA is like an idiot, ये बहुत ही controversy में चल रहा है. ठीक है, वो उन्होंने जो कहा he may be speaking from a very privileged place and he does not understand कि what kind of opportunities MBA opens up for normal students like you and me who are who want to change the course of their lives. And maybe there are some companies जहाँ पे skill based hiring होती है, but for a lot of companies in India अभी भी pedigree और college को देखा जाता है. And that's the reason why college placements, Indian MBA college placements, like I'm talking about the tier 1 colleges, perform so well. And उन सारे colleges के list में FMS tops in terms of ROI. Can you imagine you're paying a fees of 2.5 lakh rupees for 2 years and you get a chance to get an average CTC of 34 lakh rupees. The ROI is insane. And that is why it's very important for every CAT aspirant, at least I think so, should fill the FMS registration form. Now just wanted to give you the selection criteria of FMS और वहाँ पे SOP कहाँ stand करता है. So your 10th marks are given 10% weightage, your 12th marks again 10% weightage, SOP का भी 10% weightage होता है, extempore is 5%, personal interview is 15% and CAT overall has 50% weightage, whereas female candidates get additional 5 marks. And the last date to fill FMS का form is 26th of November, so make sure you have your SOP and the form ready till then. Now before I dive into the structure of the SOP, you must realize the purpose of why you're writing this SOP. And most importantly, that SOP is meant to make you stand out. ठीक है, आप अपने marks quantitatively mention कर देंगे, 10 में इतना, 12 में इतना, and then more or less everything else will be quantitative, good, bad, college ये, company ये, but the only qualitative thing that you get to write and express yourself and bring out your uniqueness is this SOP. Anyone from the admissions department who's reading it, be it some professor or an alumni, when they read this, they should at least feel कि ठीक है, कुछ तो यूनिक है इस इंसान में, और at least they are well thought through. इन्होंने सोचा है कि इनको MBA क्यों करना है, this is what they can bring to my cohort, this is how they'll add value to the cohort. So ऐसा कुछ यूनिक आपको लिखना है so that like the person actually stops and reads it. Now the first line of the SOP has to be something unique about you. इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. So मैंने एक SOP में लिखा है, I am a generalist and a lifelong learner and the converging point of all my varied skills and interests is to lead people and businesses to become their best versions. अब इससे मेरे बारे में क्या पता चल रहा है कि मैं एक generalist हूँ, मेरे बहुत varied interests हैं, but where is it that all my interests and skills meet is that I want to push people and businesses to become their best versions. उसी का एक example है that I am doing this, I am creating videos because I want to push people to become their best versions, and that is what I will do if I get a chance to work or lead in businesses. ठीक है, this is something unique about me. Now the second line has to be about your academic and professional background. मैंने ये पढ़ाई करी है, ये काम किया है ना, उसको भी आप just एक straight line में simple line में लिख सकते हैं, आप उसको थोड़ा सा और depth में भी लिख सकते हैं, थोड़ा value adding. For example, we have here, having completed my degree dash, for me it would be BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from NIT Jamshedpur. I am currently working at so and so in a dash role. अगर आपके पास एक और line बच रही है तो you can even go on to explain your work in one more line. For example, This role entails solving day-to-day operational problems, long-term planning, and manpower management. Okay, so the next point has to be why MBA, why FMS, and how this aligns with your career goals. What is it that you'll get if you do an MBA? Now for that I've written, the holistic management education I receive at FMS will complement my analytical mindset, help me better understand businesses, introduce me to like-minded individuals, and transform me into the kind of leader I want to become. तो इसमें सारी चीज़ें कवर हो गई कि MBA क्यों करना है, लाइक माइंडेड पीपल से मिलना है, बेटर अंडरस्टैंड बिजनेसेस, एंड वो लीडर बन के बाहर आना है जो मैं बनना चाहती हूँ. एंड फाइनली आपको ये भी एक्सप्लेन करना है कि व्हाट इज इट दैट यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल. आप क्या ला रहे हो टू द FMS कोहॉर्ट. एन एग्जाम्पल कैन बी my curiosity, analytical thinking, and proactive problem solving makes me a dependable team member who will foster engaging discussions and contribute to the cohort. नाउ ये तो मेरा लाइक ऑलमोस्ट फाइनल वर्जन था. यहाँ तक पहुँचने में मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा था, जिसके लिए लाइक हर एक सेक्शन के लिए इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए आप 5-6 लाइन से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड एंड अ लाइन अबाउट व्हाट यू डू, उसके बारे में 5-6 लाइन्स. एंड इसको कंडेंस करते करते जब आप फाइनली उसको इतने बड़े पैराग्राफ को इतना में लाएंगे, तब योर फाइनल वर्जन शुड लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस और इवन मोर ब्रीफ, बिकॉज आपको 1000 कैरेक्टर लिमिट से स्टिक करना है. I'm attaching this SOP as well as another SOP that I have gotten from my friend so that you can refer to it. Please don't just copy it. ये बस एक structure है जो आप अपने uniqueness को bring out करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. And don't spend a lot of time doing this because अभी majority of your time should go into your CAT preparation. ये वीडियो बनाने का मकसद ही ये था कि you have a like very good solid structure, a base जिसको आप use करके जल्दी से ख़त्म कर दो ताकि you don't spend a lot of time in your peak preparation time. So yeah, you'll see all this in the description of the video. And all the very best. Just keep your spirits high and yeah, keep preparing. And like, subscribe, comment, and happy learning. Bye bye.